John B. here with my main man, Vishal Kapoor. We're sitting in a beer garden here in Munich, Germany, in the middle of our worldwide EDA360 launch. Today was a big day for EDA360 when Cadence announced its open integration platform. Hey Vishal, tell my friends out there about the open integration platform.
Sure. The open integration platform is Cadence's approach to SoC realization. We announced three things: an integration design environment, a set of IP partners, and integration optimized IP stacks.
Okay, integration design environment, or IDE. Sounds important. What's in it?
So what is in it is a comprehensive suite of products. These products not only focus on creation of the IP, but focus on the integration of that IP into SoCs.
Fantastic. Then you talked about IP partners. Who are they, and what kinds of IP are we going to be getting from those partners for the open integration platform?
Okay, so you know there are four kinds of IP, John. There is the star IP, the processors, you've got fabric IP, you've got IO IP and foundation IP. We're going to be providing through our partners the fabric IP, the IO IP, and the foundation IP.
Great. And who are the partners?
So the partners are IBM, RapidBridge, GDA, Sonix, and Cadence itself.
We're our own partner.
We're our own partner. We eat our own dog.
Fantastic. Now we have something to do with all that IP that we have.
Absolutely.
And the last piece, you talked about integration optimized IP. Well, I've been looking out there and I see everybody talking about component IP. What is integration IP, optimized IP, and how is that different than standard kind of component-based IP?
Sure, great question, John, right? So if you think about component IP, you can buy a PHY from someone, you can buy a controller from someone, you may or may not get a driver. The integration optimized IP stack, you take the controller, you have the PHY underneath, you have the driver on top of it, you provide a complete verification environment around it, and then you make sure you have the design constraints. That entire IP stack makes it easy to integrate, and the components just don't do that.
Sounds great. What have the customers been saying on this tour about the open integration platform approach? Are they supportive?
So the customers have really been resonating with it, right? Because they face this challenge, their teams face this challenge day in and day out. They get this IP, it's supposed to be a certain level of quality. They have to spend all this time to re-verify it, then get it into their SoCs, then re-verify it in the context of the SoC. They have to make sure that it works from an implementation perspective. So they're extremely welcoming of what we're doing here.
So I get that there's a quality benefit to them. There's a time to market benefit to them. There must be a cost benefit. Why don't you talk about that?
Absolutely, right? So the cost benefit is clearly in the fact that anytime they buy a piece of this component IP, right? Say it costs them $1 to buy that, they have to spend $2 to $3, sometimes $5 to take that IP, qualify it, integrate it, make sure it's compliant. When we provide the integration optimized IP stacks, we pre-do all those things, if you will, for them. So we save them a ton of cost for a slight increment in cost of that IP stack from us. So net-net, that's a huge benefit to the customers.
Great. So we'll talk to you tomorrow from Rick's in Casablanca in the next stop on our worldwide tour. Thank you.
Here's looking at you, kid.